Varna, Bulgaria has a coast, history, culture, and experiences you won't forget. This video shows the 9 top activities in Varna, Bulgaria. You can see green trees at Sea Garden Varna or enjoy sunny days at Varna Beach. Each stop gives you a different look at what makes the city special. You can visit the Retro Museum in Varna to see how things used to be, or check out the quiet Aladzha Monastery built into cliffs near the city. If you like history, you'll enjoy the Roman baths of Varna and the Dormition of the Mother of God Cathedral. These places show how buildings and culture have changed over hundreds of years. People who love nature can go to Cape Kaliakra to see amazing views of the Black Sea. If you like wine, you can taste some of Bulgaria's best at Prisoe Winery. To have a fun day, you can watch the friendly dolphins at Varna Dolphinarium. If you want to relax, learn about history, or have fun with your family Varna, Bulgaria has it all. Your visit will be one to remember. Make sure you see these great parts of Varna, Bulgaria. Let's get started. Number 9. Discover the magic of Sea Garden. Uncover the charm of Sea Garden Varna, a coastal park in Bulgaria that draws both residents and visitors. This vast green space runs along the Black Sea, mixing tranquil gardens, tree-lined walks, and stunning ocean vistas that make every visit invigorating. Begin your tour at the main entrance and wind through paths lined with tall trees and vibrant flower patches. As you walk, the sound of crashing waves and the fresh sea air create an ideal setting to take a leisurely walk. You'll come across sculptures, water features, and scenic spots that add cultural touches and beauty to the park. As you venture further, you'll spot cafes, outdoor theaters, and secluded areas perfect to relax. The park buzzes with families, runners, and creatives, giving it a lively yet soothing atmosphere. If you want to connect with nature, enjoy scenic landscapes, or have a quiet moment by the sea, Sea Garden Varna offers an experience you won't forget. Number 8. Enjoy a beach day. Varna Beach Day combines all the elements that make Bulgaria's coastline memorable: golden sands, soft waves, and a bustling seaside vibe that embodies the essence of summer. The moment you reach the shore, you'll see a vast stretch of beach with sun loungers, umbrellas, and lively beach bars setting the scene for a laid-back getaway. The Black Sea's rhythmic sound provides a soothing background, while the warm sun beckons you to relax, take a dip, or just soak in the scenery. As you stroll along the coast, you'll discover many ways to spend your day. Varna has something for every type of beach lover, from beach volleyball and water sports to quiet spots in the shade for reading. The nearby promenade adds to the appeal with its cafes, restaurants, and shops selling everything from cold drinks to fresh seafood. When the afternoon light turns softer, the beach becomes even more stunning, ideal for taking photos or going for a walk by the water. Varna Beach Day mixes relaxation, enjoyment, and coastal beauty to create an experience that feels revitalizing. Number 7. The Retro Museum in Varna. Step into Bulgaria's past at the Retro Museum in Varna, a fascinating time capsule that brings the socialist era back to life. As soon as you walk through the doors, the atmosphere transforms into a vivid display of classic cars, vintage homes, and iconic memorabilia that defined everyday life from the 1940s to the 1980s. The rows of beautifully restored Soviet-era vehicles immediately catch the eye. Shiny Volgas, Moskviches, and Trabants that look straight out of an old film reel. Each of them tells a different story about the culture and ambitions of the time. As well as cars, cabinets filled with retro cosmetics, toys, tools, and political artifacts provide a deep insight into how people lived, worked, and dreamed during this period. Every corner feels like a step into history, designed to evoke both nostalgia and curiosity. Whether you are a car enthusiast, interested in history, or a traveler looking for something unique, the Retro Museum in Varna offers a captivating journey through time. Number 6. Exploring Aladzha Monastery, Bulgaria's cliffside wonder. Exploring the Aladzha Monastery feels like entering a hidden world carved right into the limestone. Just outside Varna, this medieval cave monastery exudes centuries of spiritual history, with rooms, chapels, and corridors carved into the rock by the monks who once lived and worshipped here. As you walk through the complex, the tranquil interior and robust stone walls create an atmosphere that immediately transports you to the Middle Ages. Each chamber tells a silent story, from the monks' living quarters to small chapels decorated with faint traces of ancient frescoes. The upper level offers even more dramatic views, giving a sense of how secluded and peaceful this place must have been centuries ago. Outside, the surrounding forest offers peace, making the place feel like a hidden oasis away from the modern world. Whether you are drawn to history, nature, or the mystery of abandoned holy sites, the Aladzha Monastery is one of Bulgaria's most fascinating cultural sites. Number 5. Exploring the Roman Baths of Varna. Ancient records comes alive on the Roman Baths of Varna, certainly one of Bulgaria's maximum stunning archaeological sites. Step onto the stone floors which have witnessed nearly millennia of records, and believe the each-day life of Romans who once thrived on this coastal town. The complicated is widespread, presenting remnants of warm and bloodless rooms, tricky hypocaust heating systems, and big pools that highlight superior Roman engineering and architectural skill. Walking through the partly preserved walls, you'll notice the cautious interest to symmetry and shape, reflecting both feature and Roman aesthetic sensibilities. Informative plaques and guided excursions help carry the ruins to lifestyles, revealing charming testimonies approximately bathing rituals, social gatherings, and the town's role within the Roman Empire. The site also gives picturesque views of Varna's city landscape, blending ancient background with the current town. Exploring the Roman baths is a completely unique possibility to step back in time and witness the ingenuity, way of life, and enduring legacy of Roman civilization in Bulgaria. Number 4. Cape Kaliakra. Perched dramatically above the Black Sea, Cape Kaliakra is a wide-ranging vacation spot simply 60 kilometers northeast of Varna. This narrow, rocky peninsula stretches into the deep blue waters, presenting panoramic perspectives that make it considered one of Bulgaria's maximum hanging coastal landscapes. The cliffs here drop sharply into the ocean, growing a dramatic backdrop that's best for photography and quiet mirrored image. Cape Kaliakra is steeped in records, with remnants of ancient fortifications and medieval towers that tell memories of battles, legends, and coastal defense. Walking along the cliff-part paths, visitors can consider the strategic significance this webpage held for centuries, guarding the coastline from invaders. The location is also domestic to diverse plant life and fauna, which include rare fowl species that make it a favorite for nature lovers. At the tip of the cape, a lighthouse stands as a sentinel over the sea, guiding ships safely along the rocky shore. Whether exploring records, soaking in the views, or taking part in the ocean breeze, Cape Kaliakra offers an unforgettable Black Sea experience. Number 3. Dormition of the Mother of God Cathedral. The Dormition of the Mother of God Cathedral in Varna stands as one of Bulgaria's most iconic landmarks, blending stunning architecture with deep spiritual significance. Its striking Neo-Byzantine facade, adorned with colorful domes and intricate frescoes, immediately captures attention, while the tall bell towers rise proudly above the city skyline. Stepping inside, the cathedral's interior reveals magnificent murals, gilded icons, and beautifully carved wooden details that reflect centuries of Bulgarian Orthodox tradition. Soft light filters through stained glass windows, creating a serene and contemplative atmosphere, perfect for appreciating the artistry and devotion embedded in every corner. Visitors can explore the grand nave, observe the iconostasis, and pause to admire the intricate religious motifs that tell stories of faith, history, and culture. The cathedral also serves as a gathering place for local worshippers, connecting visitors to the living spiritual life of Varna. Whether interested in architecture, history, or spirituality, the Dormition of the Mother of God Cathedral offers a memorable experience, combining aesthetic beauty with cultural and religious heritage in the heart of Varna. Number 2. Prisoe Winery. Taste Bulgaria's finest wines. Nestled in the scenic hills of Bulgaria, Prisoe Winery invites visitors to immerse themselves in the art of winemaking. As you step into the estate, rows of lush vineyards stretch across the landscape, hinting at the rich flavors waiting to be discovered. The winery is renowned for its careful cultivation of local grape varieties, producing wines that perfectly capture the essence of Bulgaria's terroir. Inside, the tasting room offers a cozy and elegant setting to sample a selection of reds, whites, and rosés, each crafted with precision and passion. Knowledgeable staff share insights into the winemaking process, from harvest to fermentation, giving a deeper appreciation for every sip. Pair the wines with fresh local cheeses and delicacies, enhancing the tasting experience. A walk through the vineyards, combined with the stunning views of the surrounding countryside, makes the visit as relaxing as it is educational. Prisoe Winery offers not just wine, but a full sensory journey celebrating Bulgaria's rich viticultural heritage. Number 1. Meet the dolphins of Varna, a fun day at the Dolphinarium. Dive into an unforgettable day at the Dolphinarium in Varna, where playful energy and marine magic come together. The adventure begins as the doors open to Bulgaria's only dolphin show arena, a place where the ocean's most social creatures take center stage. The moment the dolphins appear, you'll feel the excitement rise. These intelligent animals are full of charm, curiosity, and incredible talent. The show features synchronized jumps, clever tricks, and heartwarming moments between trainers and dolphins. Each performance highlights not only their skills, but also the strong bond they share with their caretakers. Between the splashes and laughter, you'll learn interesting facts about their behavior, communication, and the care they receive behind the scenes. After the show, take a look around the facility or explore nearby attractions along the Varna coastline. Whether you're visiting with family, friends, or exploring solo, the Dolphinarium offers a fun and memorable experience that brings you closer to the wonders of marine life.